Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Think. This is our new project, Industrial Based Automation System. So let's see the hardware components of the project. Here is a step down transformer, here is a bridge rectifier, after that there is a filtration capacitor, here is a voltage regulatory circuitry. We are using a Arduino Nano for the controlling system. It controls the whole the operation of the project. Here is a Bluetooth module which receives the data from the mobile, and here is a liquid crystal display which show the parameter of the loads, and here is a relay controlling circuitry, buzzer controlling circuitry. We are using a DC motor, small DC motor, and here is a light. Let's see the working of the project. So first of all we have to switch on the power supply. So right now it is in setup stage. After that we have to connect this Android app through a mobile. Right now I am connecting. Once it is connected, we can control this loads all the through a mobile. Right now I am controlling the loads. So one number is for the motor and second number is for the light. So we can control third number for the motor off, buzzer on. So after that we can, now you can see the, also we can control, we shut down the all the parameters. Like this system you can control the all the project of the load through a mobile. Like this system the working of the project is there. If you want this project, please contact us.